Hello, class. Today we are going to be learning the verb to have. To have is a very special verb, and today we are only going to look at 3 different types of the verb to have. That is first person, which is I have, second person, which is you have, and third person, which is he has, or she has, or it has. As you see, there is a little difference between I have and he has, or you have, the second person, and the third person, she has. And we will go into these differences later. So our English lesson today will be the verb to have with some body part vocabulary. And first up, we have the nose. Nose is spelt N-O-S-E, and that spells nose. I have a nose. I have one nose. You have a nose. You have one nose. I have one nose. You have one nose. What else do you have? Our next body part is ear. Ear is spelled E-A-R, and that spells ear. But we don't just have one ear, we have ears with an S, and we add an S to our nouns to show more than one. One ear, two ears. He has two ears. She has two ears. It has two ears. Keep up the good work. Let's see if you could try on your own now. Let's do first person. Looks like it's pointing to a nose. It's first person, so therefore we should use I. Now, is it I have or I has? Well, let's see how has sounds and looks. I has one nose? I don't think so. I has sounds a bit funny if you ask me. Let's try I have one nose. Yeah, that sounds and looks correct. Let's take a look at the second person. It has one nose. No, that's not the second person. The second person is you. You have one nose. Yes, that is correct. Let's try the third person. He have two ear? No, that doesn't look right. It doesn't sound right either. He have two ear. I think there's something wrong here. Two is more than one. Therefore, we must put an S at the end of ear to turn it into ears. He has two ears. Yes, that is correct. All right, let's try just one more. Let's see if you can do it. Great work. She has two ears. Excellent work today. Keep up the good work, and remember, when learning, always have fun.